Alrighty then, routing with IPv6. We're only going to do the RIP routing protocol. Okay, we're going to use the same lab, and we're going to be configuring RIP because that's the one that you need to learn. So let's get to it. Let's go to our little lab where we already put the IPv6 addresses on there. So let's do this one the long way. Let's do this. Let's do this. Windows 10, let me tell you. Not very happy. Okay. Config T. Normally, we got to do IPv6. I think we already did it, but I'm going to do it again. It can't hurt. Unicast routing. I'm going to turn it on again if I did it before, just in case. All right. Normally, we'll go and say router or IPv6, since we're doing IPv6, router RIP. And then here, they want you to put some sort of a number. So I'm going to say 1 or a word or whatever. And then really, you do nothing else. We're not doing any redistribution in ICND1 or CCNT, but you will be doing that in ICND2. There's nothing really to do there. So I did, okay, IPv6 router RIP 1. Now we need to go into the interfaces, interface F0/0, and then go IPv6 RIP 1 enable. Enable, I can't spell, okay. Let's do an up arrow for F01. And then same thing, do WR. So you see that really there's nothing to do in global configuration. I can simply just go straight to the interface and do it that way. So let's do it that way. Let's go to this one. Bring this over here. Enable, config T, interface F0/1, IPv6, IPv6, RIP 1 enable, and then I'm going to up arrow. That's a 1, not an up arrow. All right, 0. And then, but if you look at it now, if I do a Control Z, show start, and there's IPv6 unicast routing, thank God. You see that there it is on the interfaces, but it's also here. So what we did in the other router in global configuration, it did it for us here. So we should show IPv6 route. And there we see R's. We're getting information from the bad 1000. So let's see if we can ping all right, because that's one thing with IPv6, you're going to be copying and pasting a lot, let me tell you. All right, and then it was F, correct? And we got connectivity to that particular route. That is it. How simple was that? You don't have to worry about any networks that you're attached to or anything like that. You just enable, at least RIP is, enable the routing protocol on the interface. Well, all the IPv6 protocols, EIGRP for IPv6, OSPF version 3, you have to enable them on the interface, on a per interface basis, what you want them to participate in. But with OSPF and EIGRP, there's a couple more things you need to do within the routing configuration mode for that particular protocol, like turning it on, giving a router ID, things like that they need to do. But with RIP, it's very simple, very straightforward. Just go straight into the interface and do the IPv6 RIP 1 or whatever number it is, enable, and you're done. Simple as that. That is routing with IPv6.